Hello again. In today's video, we are going to make a small little program called HelloYou. This program is basically going to be the same thing as Hello World, except this time we're going to take user input, specifically the user's name, and then have the computer print back to the console, hello, and then whatever the user's name is, or whatever the user entered as their name. So first things first, we have to prompt for input. So we'll go with system.out.println again. And then in some quotation marks, we'll prompt for the name. Alright, now let's go ahead and run this just to make sure it's running smoothly. And you'll notice down here in the console you've got please enter your name just as you've typed it in your print line statement. Now it doesn't do anything else though. So what we want it to do now is we want it to read the input that the user types in. So the first thing we're going to want to do is import our scanner. So import java.util.scanner. Now you'll see it's got a little yellow squiggle line under it. In this case, that means that it hasn't been used yet. So we can just ignore that. Now below our print line statement, we're going to go ahead and make a scanner. Scanner space keyboard equals new scanner system.in. Now what we've done here is we've created a new scanner object. We'll get into objects a little bit more in later tutorials, but for now all you need to know is that now you have an input scanner called keyboard. So now we can do this. Now, we have our string variable here set as equal to the whole next string line read in from our keyboard scanner. Now we want to use the name as output. Now we have it so that our computer prints out a line that says hello plus the string variable name, which will be the user input that we prompted for up here. Now before we run the program again, we need to check out why our keyboard variable here is unhappy. Now it says there's a resource link, keyboard is never closed. So let's just go ahead and take care of that now. There we go. Now we have no more squiggle lines to worry about. Go ahead and run your program. Now if you'll notice, nothing else has popped up yet, so let's go ahead and type in our name. And then a line pops up saying hello, and then whatever you entered in as your name. And that's the gist of this program.